We're using the experience that we've gained over 40 years in mineral processing facilities to the resources industry, and really applying that knowledge and optimising the large-scale solutions for the flow battery technology with Stuart and the ESI team. I think it's evident in the event here today and the attention and the excitement in the local community of Maryborough, the Fraser Coast and obviously wider Queensland. The jobs, the security of the jobs of the future and out of some of our core industries, but equally the long-term solution that the flow battery technology brings to the energy transition in Queensland and obviously throughout the Asia Pacific region. I think Stuart and the team have got a really similar core focus in their business and what they want to do to what Sedgman does. We've grown up from a family business and certainly had a lot of ownership over the years of things we've done, and Stuart and the team present a very similar culture, and that's been evident in all the work we've done with them. We've been quite collaborative and approached it with an innovative way together, and to make this work, to make this successful, that's really the only approach into the future of the success of this technology.